Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning and today is Diwali. Today is the festival time. So wishing you all a very happy Diwali. So in this video we are going to see few of the situations that few of my subscribers have been facing, right? So recently we know the jobs in the testing field, the jobs in the IT are decreasing. But at the same time, one more thing which we have observed is if any employer is giving you the offer letter, they are not onboarding you, right? So there are a few of my subscribers who have approached me in the comment section of the channel or who have dropped me an email for the same. And these are the few of the very obvious queries that we are getting these days that, sir, I got selected in TCS. I got an offer letter, but my onboarding date is not yet there. I got selected in Infosys. I had an onboarding date. So I had resigned from the current company, but unfortunately now my date is getting postponed, right? So these are the situations where the people are facing issues, right? And that's a genuine issue, right? This is something which will create chaos in your career as well as in your life, right? What's happening is, let's discuss this thing in detail, right? Okay, see, so what is happening is there are few of the companies, right? It's not limited to two or three, which we just discussed, but there are few of the companies. What they are doing is they are giving you an offer letter with the joining date, right? So now when you get the joining date, then obviously you will resign from your current role, from your current company, right? And because you want to join the new company or any other companies, right? Then they will extend your joining date. So what is happening is once you get the joining dates, once you resign from the current company, you serve the notice period and you come out of that company, right? And then your date is getting postponed. And you never know, your joining date might get extended by 1 month, by 2 months, sometimes 3 months, sometimes 6 months. So now if you take an example of a fresher, right, who had got some joining date, right? Definitely, he does not need to serve the notice period. So he is available. He's ready to join. He's an immediately joiner since one day, right? But then the dates are getting postponed. From an experienced person point of view, what is happening is the date is getting postponed, and that's why they are not having any jobs, right? So then what's happening is the employers have to think here that they have to think from the employee perspective also, right? When you are giving someone job, if they are trusting you to make the career in your company, then definitely it is the employers, it is the company's responsibility to make sure that they get onboarded as per the date that they have committed, right? Because if these things does not happen, then they will be sitting idle, they'll be sitting jobless, right? They have their own families, they have their own, all those lives that are dependent, right? And then certain times it has also been seen that there are HRs, there are recruiters, they are not picking up the call, they are not receiving the calls as well. So then comes the question is about what should we do in this kind of situation, right? So this cannot be controlled. You cannot control the people, you cannot control the environment outside you, but you can control yourself, right? So how you will take charge of such situation? So as per this my personal point of view, and in this video also we will explain, always try to get offers from 2 to 3 companies, right? So tomorrow if X company is not giving you, is not onboarding you, they might would have given you the date and they are pushing, they are postponing that date, then there is another backup option, right? So keep some backup options available with you, right? And these backup options would be easily available to the experienced person, right? So because they have experience, they will be able to get the jobs in multiple companies. So if you are new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed, then I'll request you to subscribe this channel and you can see the success stories in which the people have got jobs in various companies, right? And once they have got the job, what is happening is they are sharing the success story, they are sharing the interview process, the interview questions, everything on this channel free of cost. So why don't you take the advantage? So today itself you should like, share and subscribe our channel. So there are two channels in which we are posting videos. One is this channel itself, RD Automation Learning, which you should subscribe. And second is RD Technical Learning, in which we have started posting videos on Java, right? So I know last 10 or 15 days you haven't received much of the video notifications because those were not uploaded. I was a bit occupied with few of the other reasons, but now definitely that consistency will be coming, right? So subscribe these two channels as soon as possible if you want to make your career in the IT industry, right? Now coming back to this situation, what should we do? So one is the backup options, right? The experienced people should be having backup options. Now, at the same time, once your notice period is about to end, you should definitely follow up with the company in which you are going to join, right? Give them the calls, connect with them, visit their companies, right? If once you will visit their company, they will be feeling, a lot of a relation will develop, right? They will be knowing, okay, that it's a positive thought that is going on in your mind that you have to join the new company, right? So visit that particular company, visit that location. I can understand many of you are doing work from home, but you can take some flight, get some train, and you should visit the new location so that you can come to know what is the infrastructure, how many people are coming, and you should meet the HR, you should meet the leadership team also, if possible, the recruiter that has hired you, his leader, his manager, so that they can also come to know, yes, that this particular person is a genuine candidate who is looking for a job and is going to definitely switch to our company, right? So this should be happening. Now, if you are fresher, right? If you are fresher, then getting jobs in 3 to 4 companies would be difficult based on current market scenario. Current market scenario is such that the jobs are very less, right? The supply is too more because the experienced people have also got laid off. There are many freshers also who haven't got any placement opportunities, who haven't got any job opportunities so far. So a lot of people are applying into the jobs, but the demand is very less, right? So demand is not meeting the supply, right? Supply is too high, right? Demand is too low, right? So it's a contradictory thing that is happening in the market these days, right? So then if you are a fresher in such kind of thing, what you should do is you should try freelancing. Okay. And freelancing is for everyone, whether they are freshers, whether they are experienced. This should be a backup option always in your career, always in your life. You should do freelancing because your knowledge will grow and your financial situation will also improve, right? So if you are not getting the onboarded into the new company, you have already lost your older job, then definitely freelancing is a good option. You should definitely go for it. Even if you're a fresher, you should try going for freelancing because you will come to know about a lot of things. And if you're a fresher, don't worry about the salary, don't worry about the income for at least first 1 or 2 years. Take the experience, learn what is the testing process, learn the QA things that are happening in the market, that are happening in the companies, right? How testing is being done, how they write test cases, how they come up with the test scenarios, what kind of testing they are doing, how they are doing, right? When different types of testing are done, what is the significance of testing? So once you will start learning all these things, then definitely you would be able to move to the next level in your career, right? So ignore about the package, ignore about the income that you are getting in the first 1 or 2 years, and then you can focus on your income also once you get the knowledge, right? For now, the priority should be getting a job, whether it's a freelancing, it's a work from home, or it's a work from office. Don't just sit idle at home and look for jobs. You will get many jobs available on LinkedIn, Naukri.com. I know many of you would be telling you are not getting calls from Naukri.com. So the catch is every day you should update your resume, your profile in the Naukri.com. Then definitely you will get a lot of calls, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining today. And once again, wish you all a very happy Diwali. And my best wishes are with each and every one of you, and wishing your family as well a happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.